back to another episode of Preschool Playtime with Nico. Today we're playing with
our wooden Thomases.
Wooden Thomases, that's right. We've got everything connected to one of our older sheds. And we put some fun accessories on here, some tunnels and bridges. Nico built an airport. We've got a couple of cranes on here, including, what's this guy's name?
Colin.
That's Colin. I love Colin. And Sir Topham Hatt is waiting there at the station. And Nico has some pretty cool trains that he wants to use on this track.
These will be our main ones.
These will be our main ones. Do you want to line them up and show everybody? Okay. Ooh, this is Bulstrode. I don't think I know this guy. Oliver. Oh.
Skiff.
Skiff.
And he's got the thing.
Yes, he's got a mask.
Harvey.
Harvey. I love his crane. This is Hugo. Oh, I love his propeller.
Kevin.
Kevin. Looks like you've got a lot of these kind of construction.
George.
George. Oh, George is an old one and he broke, but he's supposed to be a steamroller.
Yeah, he still works. Look.
He still works. Kinda. Good job, George.
And
Marion. Oh, guess what's in my shovel? That's the game that she always plays. And what's always in her shovel, Nico?
Dirt.
Dirt. Yeah. I'm
This
going to
one.
show you these trains up close. Oh, Timothy. That's Timothy. Hey guys, like this video if you have any of these trains at home, because they're pretty cool. We're loving these old school trains.
Our first one will be Kevin.
Kevin. I love Kevin.
What do you think?
Okay, that's a silly name for him. I love him. Now, is he magnetic at the end there?
Yes. Look.
Let's watch him hook
Let me do an example with Timothy.
Oh, he's very
Colin
strong.
can also do that,
And Colin
and
can
so as Harvey.
So can Harvey. Wow.
And then you can also do it by the front like this.
Well, either way, wow, multi-directional magnetism. I love that. That's super cool. All right, let's see Kevin go on the track.
Which way should we start with?
I don't know. Let's see.
Let's go this way.
Okay. On the roundabout.
Passing the airport. Colin's gonna give me a lift.
Oh boy. Oh, Kevin. Oh, this is very unsafe, Kevin. I know he likes to be silly, but this is crazy.
Now we gotta have it down, Kevin.
That's right.
A nice clean car wash.
Good job. He's at the station.
Which way should we go?
Points.
This way.
Let's go through the tunnel. Double tunnel. Oh. Triple
This one.
tunnel. Oh my god, that's a good green tunnel. And then he'll get the stop sign.
Stop. Ding, 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 ding. Choo, 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 choo.
Connor crossed.
Oh no, I don't have any mail car.
Oh, that's okay. Should we find a mail car?
1 sec, guys.
1 second, guys.
Got one. So now we can pick up our mail. Let's see how much the mail we get. Now, Kevin's got a long turn. Let's make it someone else's turn.
Okay, someone else is gonna have a turn.
I think they chose Skiff.
Skiff? I love Skiff. Let's do it. Skiff might have a hard time with some of our tunnels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's gonna be the same as Kevin, and
check. Oh, he fell right off.
Low teen.
Uh-oh. Did he clip on? Oh, poor Skippy. He's hooked on. Skip, you have to lower your mask to go through the tunnel.
Balloons are top on the hat.
I think Skip is having a hard time on the track.
Yeah.
Should we try a different one?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, it's Timothy's turn. Oh, he's going that way. Here he comes. Oh, he jumped over. Here he comes.
Hello, stop on that.
Here's the car wash.
Nice and squeaky clean.
Squeaky clean. Whoa, Timothy's doing some pretty cool tricks. Uh-oh. Oh gosh, Timothy's crashing into everything.
We're gonna do
Hugo.
and he'll be starting here. Hugo.
Let's go, Hugo. Good job, Hugo. Come on. There he goes. Awesome job. That was so much fun. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Preschool Playtime. If you'd like to see more Thomas videos like this one, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, bye.